Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I have something a bit different. So I have a HP and this is a charger, and it is a fast charger and it has dual USB-Cs. So I'm just going to unbox this and I'll be testing it and letting you guys know what I think of it. It's 65 watts and that'll charge your MacBook Air and whatnot. So let's get this unboxing started. Okay, now they have made it super hard to get into this without absolutely destroying this box. A nice USB-C to USB-C cable. You get the charging brick with the two USB chargers. Some warranty paperwork, as you can see. And the plug for it. And that's basically it, guys. Alright, now to my surprise, I was thinking that this will somehow plug into the wall like the Apple one and it'll make your life easier. First of all, the difference between this and the Apple one is, one, this needs an extra cable going from here into the wall, so that some people might not like that. Whereas the Apple one just plugs right into the wall and you're good to go. Second thing, which is not a big deal, but it is 65, whereas the Apple ones are around 70 or 70, which is a bit different. So a bit higher voltage with the Apple ones that you get. Okay, so that's basically it. It comes with a USB-C charger and that's great. Alright, thank you for watching it to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe. Let me know what you guys like. Thank you. Take good care. Bye-bye.